Okay, hey guys, it's 12 o'clock back and welcome back to my Ice Take 20. Today's gonna be something entirely different from what we done up to this point. Up to the previous weeks, we've been dealing with a lot of database. CMS is the biggest book in my opinion. I'll say that much. And today's gonna be something entirely different from which is what we're gonna be doing is Grav. Grav is actually my C is CMS content management system flat file. This is something entirely different that does not have any database involved whatsoever. So that front is so for those who because it's a simple system. Grav makes it very convenient for those who are beginners of a developer or designer just like me. And this is what you'll look like and all that. And by going into admin into the versions, you'll see the maintenance of this my graph, and as you can see, configuration pages, plugins and themes and all that. Here's the pages that I have. If there's anything you need to change, say for example, no, wait, hold on a second. Let's try this instead. You have that. We have all the things you can do in Grav. If you've been watching my blog writing, text writing and Grav is the same. Applies the same rules as in Grav with my blog. So if there's anything in like text alternative you need to do, that's all you need to do here. You have folder management with the parent and the template. Not much else is much seriously important. So that's all you need to look about. But the more important thing about it here is this. Since I like installed via reclaim hosting, whenever you need to monitor your files elsewhere, you want to go to the panel and go to File Manager. And the place you want to go for is public HTML. Go to your user, and where is it? There it is, user. And pages, and You have all the files that have been made up to this point. You want to go into here, and if you look at your files via the CPAN, via File Manager, this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, that's it for display. But if by chance you want to make anything via this File Manager and not for Grav, all you need to do is go for here. Whoops, wrong one. I want to go in new folder. Really? Find your file name, but make sure it has the numeric order accordingly as so that there's no problem. What should I write it as? Like this, and as you might notice, it's empty. And now I have a new folder.